ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at this harness. We've got the injector connectors. Each one of these is 2-wire conductor, the connector itself, and then a wire clip. Yesterday, while cleaning under the hood of the engine, I noticed that one of the clips was missing, and I saw something strange down inside the engine. It was deep, and it was that clip. Down inside the rocker arm, I don't know if you can even see that, but inside that rocker, right hand rocker arm connector is the metal clip. So I've had to go get a magnet on a stick. I'm going to try to pull that out now. Let me set my flashlight down. I'm going to set the camera in place. Okay. Magnet on a stick. It's long. We're going to illuminate up in there. Oh, it's pulling it. There we go. Look at this. Okay. There's the clip. You see it? I'm sure glad I was able to pull that out of the engine. Alright, that's it. So it's just the same as this one. All back in place. One of the most valuable tools in the arsenal right there. Magnet on a stick.